Artificial intelligence, opportunities and risks. AI is changing the world, but is it for the better? From boosting productivity to replacing jobs, artificial intelligence brings huge opportunities and risks. Let's break it down. Check out the video description for links to cutting-edge AI tools and resources. Opportunities. Efficiency and automation. AI handles repetitive tasks faster than humans. Better healthcare. AI diagnoses diseases earlier and more accurately. Smart assistants. AI improves customer service, translations, and even creativity. Risk job losses. Many jobs will disappear as AI replaces them. Deepfake and misinformation. AI can generate fake content that looks real. Ethical concerns. Who controls AI? How do we prevent bias and abuse? Want to explore AI's potential? Find useful AI tools in the video description. AI can transform our world for the better, but we must manage its risks carefully. Discover more about AI's future. Check out the links in the description. What is your opinion on AI? Exciting or concerning? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.